was recently doing some testing with water and I spilt some of this testing liquid, the ethanol liquid, onto my nice bench top in my kitchen. I'm going to show you how we clean it up using the 11.5 pH water. It's amazing. So just so you can get a bit of a close-up view here, that's what it looks like. I'll show you how hard it is to get out. So I'm just going to get some tap water to wet this. Now let's go over here and give this a... Okay, so tap water. So this bigger puddle came out, but usually if I had something like this, I'd probably get some vinegar out, something a bit more acidic, or even if that didn't work, I'd get some sort of gumption thing, like a chemical-based sort of product that I've got to help get that out. But now, let's try 11.5. So I've got this here, 11.5 alkalized. Just going to spray it on there. When you put ethanol with alkalized water, it turns into like this purple sort of color. Okay, so it's not working straight off the bat, so I'm going to spray this here. Okay, so as you can see over time it's turned from an orange to a purple colour, and that's definitely made it a lot easier. So let's do it again. I'll let that sit there even longer. It's probably been sitting there for a good 5 minutes now. Boom, there's a little bit of an orange bit there. I've been away for about 45 minutes there now, guys, with that on top. That is unbelievable.
Learn more about water ionization at kangencartel.com.